My name is Alex Weidner. I am the president of Rudler PSC. We're based out of Cincinnati, Ohio. I have roughly 65 employees that vary from remote staff to in-office. We do have 2 offices. So life before, it was very interesting. It was a little different. We had a partner that was kind of our IT partner at the time that did all the backups, all the updates. We had servers that were in-house. We didn't really have anybody working out of the office. Everybody had to be in the office working. We got kind of to the useful life of the servers, and we're looking at deciding if we're going to replace them, and made the decision that we were going to switch to a hosting service at that point. For COVID, basically everybody worked remotely at that time, and so everybody just left the office. We didn't really have any downtime. We didn't have any loss in efficiencies, and we can still continue operating like that now. It's all getting taken care of. We've got backups that are handled that we can get to pretty quickly now if something does go awry. The other aspect of it is the security side. Before Rightworks, we had to do it ourselves, and the way the environment's changed over the last 5-10 years, I mean, it's just rapidly evolving, and so that could be a full-time job just trying to keep up with the security. Just that piece for me helps me sleep at night for sure.